If you're not quite sure whether Influence and Earn is a good option for you, in this video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek access into my signature program all about how to help you become a six-figure earner as an Amazon creator. Influence and Earn not only will teach you how to get into the Amazon Influencer Program, how to get unlocked for on-site commission, but more importantly and more what we focus on is how to scale, how to really earn the big bucks as an Amazon creator while staying compliant, staying up to date with all of Amazon's rules and regulations, but also giving you the best first access to additional opportunities that help you earn higher commissions, get you more brand deals, and ultimately make you more money. So, if you're on the fence about joining Influence and Earn, I would love to hear your questions below here. I will make sure to answer every single one. We also have an amazing page with lots of testimonials and real life feedback from our current members who have been in Influence and Earn and want to tell you about their authentic, honest experience being a part of the program. So, as I dive in, I would love to hear any comments or questions. Make sure you put them in the comment section so that I can answer. And I'm going to run you through all of the wonderful things that you will get if you decide to join Influence and Earn today. All of these things I'm going to show you are accessible to you as soon as you sign up for the program. And we will be available to you for as long as you decide to stay a member of Influence and Earn. So let's get into it. My name is Kathleen Coble. If you don't know me already, I've been an Amazon influencer for 4 years now, and I've been a seller and earning money from Amazon for the last 15. Amazon has really been my bread and butter for the last 15 years, and so I've seen the ins and outs, the ups and downs of many of the different money-making programs and opportunities that Amazon gives to us as creators and entrepreneurs. So using my Amazon seller background, I've really been able to not only be very successful and earn a lot of money with the Amazon Influencer Program, but I love sharing my knowledge and being able to help other people just like you achieve the earnings and financial freedom that I have achieved as well. So let's go ahead and dive in so that you can see exactly what you're getting when you sign up to become a member of Influence and Earn. So when you log in, you will get access immediately to everything that comes with Influence and Earn, the Amazon Creator Success System. So what I'm going to do is just run you through some of our core modules, our bonuses, and then talk about the live lessons and some of the additional opportunities that come along with being a member of Influence and Earn. So first things first, when you get started, you'll have Module 1, which are the Influencer Program Overview and Opportunities. So if you're brand new here, you will be able to not only learn more about what is the influencer program and how does it actually work, but I'm going to show you some of the places where Amazon places your content. We're going to talk about your storefront and really how to build that out and optimize it, and the best ways to start earning, which include starting with your order history and things that you already have around your house. I'm also going to talk about important video and recording tech tips, and almost more importantly, the do's and the don'ts of the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, this is always growing and changing, and Amazon loves to keep us on our toes and give us new guidelines and rules and regulations. And so this content is updated constantly. If there's something new that Amazon changes or a new thing that they roll out, we are always updating the content and Influence and Earn. So that's really important to know, is that when you do get access to Influence and Earn, you get the whole program, but you're also going to get future content updates because, as we know, Amazon is always growing and changing. So if we go over to Module 2 is all about how to unlock your on-site commissions with those first 3 videos. And so we talk about, where are those videos going to show up? What do you need to know before you actually start creating those videos? Because you do want to know the different rules and regulations so that you create those first 3 videos and then you get in right away without having to try again and again. You only get 3 times 3 attempts to get that on-site commission unlocked though. And I'm going to go the extra mile in here and actually show you how I create my own Amazon influencer videos. I'm going to show you how to prep for filming, and I'm actually going to show you, I create 2 different videos in here that I record so you can actually see me recording the footage, me recording the videos, and then we're going to go, after we record, we're going to talk about how to edit. I'm going to show you how to edit using 2 different free softwares. Ooh, that's not a very appealing face there of me. Okay, well, anyway, moving on here. I'm going to show you how to edit. So if you're like, yeah, I know how to film videos, but I don't know how to edit and I don't want to pay for editing or a software, I'm going to show you how to do it for free using free tools. So like I said, I hold nothing back. I give you everything. And then we talk about how to actually upload them to Amazon, the approval process, all that good stuff. So that's module 2, how to actually get unlocked for on-site commission. Now, module 3, we're going to talk about content, how to create a system where you're creating amazing content without getting disorganized, overwhelmed. This can be a lot, right? And so I give you a really cool Amazon video tracking spreadsheet that has all the different fields of anything you could ever want to track as far as creating your videos. Then we're going to talk about how do you actually create content that converts? What are some of the tips? What are some of the things to do? Some of the things not to do? And then I show you my recording space and a couple more editing options just to give you an idea, like how do I have my office set up, where are my recording spaces, and give you a lot of good pointers on how to set up a space that's always there so that you don't have to create a space, which is exhausting when you're going to film and record. You just want to have your space available. So I show you the 3 different spaces I have available and how I really make it work. And then again, we talk about more software editing options. Okay, module 4, let's get into this because this one is really, really important. We talk about product selection and how do we actually find the best opportunities to create videos for. Now, a question I get all the time is how many videos do I have to have on Amazon in order to create X number of dollars? And I'll tell you right now, that is the wrong question to be asking because it's all about product selection. If you create videos for products that don't sell well on Amazon, you're never going to make any money. So in this module, I go through all these different product examples, right, of not only products that I'm finding on my own, but products that I am strategically buying that I already need, and also products that I'm vetting that brands are now reaching out to me, asking me to try out. I go through and I give you my real life examples and I kind of talk you through my train of thought and what I'm looking for and what I'm not looking for when I'm deciding, should I make a video for this product? Then we talk about how to purchase strategically products that are going to be very profitable for you when you create videos on Amazon. And then, of course, creative ways to get more products. When you've run out of your order history, what can you do? Instead of spending hundreds or thousands of dollars on new products, I talk about lots of different ways, creative ways to get more free products that you can use to create Amazon influencer videos. Now, module 5, we talk all about reporting and scaling. So how do you actually understand the reports that Amazon gives us and how can you use that data in order to work harder? I'm sorry. And how can you use that data to work smarter, not harder, right? And earn as much money as you possibly can for each of those videos that you are going to create. So we talk about that. We talk about how to actually track your progress and data insights. What does this data mean? How to check your work. Oh, this is one of my favorites, is how to actually repurpose your content. And so this, we talk about how, I like to use YouTube, right? So I create videos for Amazon, then I put them on YouTube, and now I have 2 streams of income for every one video that I put out on Amazon. That's just one opportunity. There's so many other ways that you can repurpose your content and earn more for each one of those videos that you're already creating for Amazon. Now, if we move into the bonuses section, there are so many amazing bonus features, so many amazing bonus trainings. Starting with how do we earn offsite with Amazon? This is a big one. This is a really big one. How do we earn money, not just on-site Amazon, but offsite Amazon? How do we stay compliant, right? So this is an entire bonus training, a 48-minute bonus training about how to earn with Amazon's offsite opportunities, but also, very importantly, how to stay compliant. You want to make sure that you are staying within Amazon's rules so that you never get your account shut down. Another one we have is an introduction to brand collaborations and brand partnerships. I talk all about not only how to find these brand collaborations and partnerships, but how to make the most of them. How do you actually communicate with these people? How do you negotiate with these brands and sellers? So we have a whole nother 45-minute training on that. We have a whole nother bonus training on holiday shopping and marketing strategies. So what are the best ways to maximize holiday shopping events with Amazon? That includes Prime Day, that includes Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So we talk all about that. And this is a 25-minute bonus training right here. We also have a current social media calendar. If you're watching this and it's the next year, just know that this is updated every single year. It's an entire social media calendar that gives you prompts for every single day of the year on top of viral video and caption hooks. I mean, just exactly what you can say. If you're someone big who likes to post on social media, here's some call to actions. Like, this is just an amazing resource that you will get right out of the gate when you sign up. Then there's also a great high converting Amazon video scripts and hooks guide. We talk about what you should be saying in your videos in order to get them to convert for Amazon's customers to actually purchase. Then I talk about how to choose the best products to review, another section where I'm going through and actually vetting products to decide, am I going to create a video for this? We have also a Fluencer Fruit free 30-day trial. If you join Influence and Earn, you will get 30 days access to Fluencer Fruit, which is my absolute favorite software tool for Amazon influencers. It will help give you not only the best products, the most profitable products to make your videos on, but there are so many other amazing features about this software. I have lots and lots of other videos on my channel all about Fluencer Fruit. I highly recommend you check it out. But if you join Influence and Earn, you get 30 days for free right out of the gate. Then I talk about how to utilize YouTube as another income stream. This is my favorite way to repurpose my Amazon videos because YouTube acts as a search engine as opposed to social media, which content kind of goes out there and then gets lost. But YouTube, people search Google, people search YouTube, and your videos can come up and earn for you on top of what you're already earning with those videos on Amazon. Then we have a whole nother bonus training all about creator connections, which is, again, one of my favorite ways to earn on Amazon, where you can earn an additional 10%, 20%, 30%. I've seen campaigns up to 50%. You can earn 50% on certain products that you opt into with creator campaigns. That's all within Amazon. You can earn for Onsite with that. So of course I have to have a bonus training all about how to earn extra with creator connections. And one additional bonus is that if you decide to join Influence and Earn, you can also be an affiliate for the Influence and Earn program, which means that if you have an audience or a friend or a family member that you're like, hey, this program is really awesome and I think you should come and join too, you can send them your referral link and you will earn 40% of every single sale, every single person that you refer to the program as well. So one more way that you can make money. On top of that, we have live lessons every single month plus Q&A sessions. So every month we meet on Zoom with just the members and you are able to come and ask your questions. I answer them personally and I stay on until basically all of the questions have been asked and answered. We also keep track of them, so it's really easy. If you can't make the session, you can go back and watch the replay and kind of follow along with all the questions from the members. Now, on top of this, we also have a private Facebook group, which I just absolutely love. Everyone in there is so incredibly supportive. And then we do things like, hey, let's create a Google Doc where we're all going to put our Amazon influencer storefronts on there so we can all follow each other. That's something we recently did. You also get additional perks like opportunities for one-on-one sessions with me, for in-person trainings with me, and those are exclusively only launched to members of Influence and Earn first, and they always get filled up really fast. I've never been able to launch them outside of Influence and Earn. So we meet every single month and all of the videos or all of the live Q&A sessions are recorded. People can just come, ask their questions, get it answered. And then of course, we talk about certain things that are upcoming. For example, we have Black Friday, Cyber Monday prep. So we do extra sessions. We have Prime Day, 3-day live virtual event for Prime Day last year. We'll do another one this year. And so we met every single morning of Prime Day week just to kind of get on the same page, to kind of see see how everyone was doing. And it's just such a great community of people that really just want to support and help each other. So if you are interested in that, in learning and being around people that support you, in becoming an Amazon influencer and scaling your earnings, pretty much unlimited to whatever you possibly can, utilizing Amazon and other ways to monetize your content, I highly recommend you come and join us and all the other hundreds of members in Influence and Earn. I would love to have you. I would love to be that person that supports you. And if you need more information or want to see some more, honest testimonials of what other people think of the program, you are welcome to go to this page, which is my testimonials page. I'll make sure there's a link right below the sign up link here. And just so many wonderful people have given their honest feedback. These are all real people. You can see their pictures. You can go search for their Amazon storefronts here, but these are all just wonderful, amazing people who've had great experiences, who are still learning and growing through Influence and Earn and earning great money with the Amazon Influencer Program. So I hope to see you on the inside. Please let me know if you have any additional questions. I would love to see you in Influence and Earn and get the privilege of being able to support you as an Amazon creator. As I said earlier, I would love to have you in the Influence and Earn program. I truly believe that with the education I provide and with the community support of everyone who is already a member of the program, there is no limits to how successful you can be as a creator on Amazon. Again, if you have any questions, I would love to hear them in the comments below. I will answer every single one that comes in. Or if you'd like to have more of a private conversation, I will make sure to have my email address linked below so that myself or someone on my support team can answer all of your questions. With the right information, the right tools, support, guidance, and community, I know that you can be successful with the Amazon Influencer Program. See you inside.